Are there any particular metrics, and no worries, I know you haven't got the report in front of you, you don't know the exact numbers, but any metrics that you would sort of point to at the moment? I encourage industry executives to be looking at really carefully as they think about those potentially, identity changes in terms of what they are and who they are and what they do today.
So I'm going to do the typical politicians thing, mentioning Liz Truss, and slightly dodge the question, but I will still answer it, and if that's okay. So I think, one of the piece of feedback we often get on the report is, okay, you take a very much an accounting view. You look at published results, and that's that's what you look at. And I think for me, it's really about taking a step back purely from the internal economic capital view of the world. That is clearly very important, and that should clearly drive a lot of the internal decision making you do. But I think it's about getting a wide variety of metrics and really understanding it from the view of the different stakeholders. So whether that's your internal economic capital view, your regulatory, whether it's Solvency II in Europe or Bermuda or other places, and your investor, the investor lens as well. I think for me that's that taking those perspectives, I think, the important thing. It's very easy if you get sucked into a purely economic capital view of the world, that you make decisions that may look good internally, but don't look good externally, don't look good for your investors or others across the market. So I won't point to a particular metric, but I will say it's a variety of different metrics across a variety of different bases that need to be considered when making those decisions.